Turning now to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbert, seeing a beautiful start to our morning. A nice sunrise out there in Wairika. Not a cloud in the sky.
No, and it's likely going to be like that for the rest of the day. We're going to see clear skies, maybe just a few fair weather cumulus clouds, but today's going to be a pretty pleasant day. All in all, lots of sunshine, pretty seasonal day, pretty mild, pretty comfortable this morning in Wairika, 56 degrees. Of course, that beautiful view coming courtesy of the Rain Rock Casino. 40s this morning over on the east side, 50s and 60s for west side valleys, 53 degrees there along the coast in Brookings, where we are seeing a little bit of fog this morning. In fact, some pretty dense fog at that, as visibilities have been reduced all the way down to a quarter of a statute mile. So take things slow on US 101 this morning. And if you are prepping to leave your house in Brookings, maybe just build in an extra few minutes into your morning routine, just because you will have to take it so slow out there on the roadways. For today in the west side valleys, not dealing with any obstructions to visibility at all. Today will be a gorgeous day. Again, like I've already mentioned, clouds will be few and far between, warming up pretty nicely. So if you plan on going on a hike, of course, bring plenty of water, bring the sunscreen as well, because that UV index is going to be very high. On a scale from 1 to 11, it'll be a 9, so your skin could get damaged by the sun within 20 minutes of being outside. So for today, really nothing but sunshine, a beautiful day, a beautiful end to the work week. Temperatures feeling pretty seasonal out there, mid 80s for the east side, the same thing for the west side valleys, 50s and 60s today along the coast, where that process of the marine layer breaking down will continue. We'll have some afternoon and evening breezes for the Shasta Valley and for the east side today, but then as we head into the later evening hours, those winds will die down. Will continue to be clear inland, feeling pretty comfortable with lows in the mid 40s to lower 50s over on the east side, near 60 degrees for west side valleys and 50s there along the coast, where we'll continue to have some fog once again because of the marine layer. This weekend is looking like it is going to be a gorgeous one. Lots of sunshine, pretty much just the continuation of the weather that we'll have today for Saturday and for Sunday. Temperatures going up incrementally for both days, and then we will get very hot at the beginning of next week. I'll have more on that in a second, but this is pretty unfortunate, right? No rain in the forecast over the next 7 days, and so that continues to be bad news for the drought, for fire weather, and of course for pollen concerns, as it does look like pollen counts will go back up into that high category for Sunday. The top allergens are grasses, dock. I got to be honest here, I don't know what dock is, but that's one of the top allergens, and chenopod's. Here's your 7-day forecast along the coast. We will see the marine layer breaking down today, on Saturday, and that process will be completed on Sunday and Mondays. We're going to get more of an offshore flow, so the Chetco effect will come into play. We'll have temperatures that'll be rivaling 80 degrees in Brookings by the time we get to Monday, if not a little bit warmer. And then for Siskiyou County, nothing warm about this. It is all hot from here on out, especially for Monday and Tuesday. Not only hot, but also seeing some windier conditions. We know those fields are starting to get pretty dry in Siskiyou County. Also the same thing for the east side, where of course the fire danger for Klamath and Lake counties was raised to high starting this morning. So that's just something to keep in mind. For the mountains, we're even going to get pretty warm for Monday and Tuesday as well, with highs hovering right around 90 degrees. And then for the Rogue Valley, pretty seasonal for this weekend, super seasonal for Monday and Tuesday. We have a little bit of relief for Wednesday and Thursday.
99 degrees and windy on Tuesday. How are we feeling about that?
Less than good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So definitely something that people have to keep an eye on heading into next week, especially when it comes to any fire weather watches.
Yes. From here on out, you just got to remain at that level of vigilance.
Even if there's nothing that's officially issued, this should be considered probably peak fire weather right now.
Yeah, well, think about what happened yesterday, right? Temperatures were below average. Wind gusts weren't all that high. There was nothing exceptional about it. And we still had a small fire start just to the southeast Prospect. It's just the nature of the beast right now.
Okay. Thank you, Josh.
Of course.